Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to complete surveys and make money on the Attapoll app. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and my growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First, open the Attapoll app. After you downloaded it, you have to sign up, then sign in, and your surveys are going to appear at the home page here. So this is my first survey. Because I'm in Romania right now, it's going to appear in Romanian, and you just have to fill the questionnaire quickly, and you will see how it works. Okay. And yeah, the survey is done, and as you can see, my balance is 0.10 euros because I've completed the survey. And you can continue and complete the other one and earn more money. Just complete, yes, yes. Survey completed, and as you can see, I have no more surveys to complete, and this is my balance in euro. So that's it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.